Example 4.9. The horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field at a certain place is 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla, and the direction of the field is from the geographic south to the geographic north. A very long straight conductor is carrying a steady current of 1 ampere. What is the force per length on it when it is placed on the horizontal table and the direction of the current is east to west as well as south to north? Okay, first we will realize the question. Horizontal magnetic field, given data we check it. Horizontal magnetic field is given, that is 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. Current in the conductor is 1 ampere. What we have to find out? We have to find the force per unit length on it. What is the formula? Force per unit length on a conductor when it is kept under the uniform magnetic field. Force equal to ILB sin theta, force per length, that is F by L equal to IB sin theta. Okay. Case 1, there are two cases. First case, current is flowing from east to west. Okay. Angle between current and field. Current is east to west and direction of magnetic field is south to north. So, angle theta becomes 90 degree. In the second case, current is also from south to north. Magnetic field is also from south to north. Means both are in the same direction. Therefore, in the second case, theta equal to 0. Okay, we'll proceed. Calculate the force per unit length. Formula F by L equal to IB sin theta. In the first case, theta equal to 90. So, it becomes sin 90. Current value is 1 multiplied with magnetic field 3 into 10 to the power minus 5. That is 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton per meter. Force per length value is 3 into 10 to the power minus 5. In the second case, what is the force? In the second case, theta value is 0. Sin 0 is 0. So, force per length equal to 0. So, now we found force per length. What is the direction of the force? How to find the direction? Yes, we can find the direction. Current is from east to west. Field is from south to north. Force is vertically downward, or that is inward. Okay, why it is inward? We'll see now. Current is flowing from east to west, right? This is in terms of I cap, J cap, K cap if you tell. Along x-axis I cap. But this is east to west is minus I cap. So force formula is I into L cross V. Now I keep it as it is. L direction. Current is flowing in this direction. So that is minus I cap direction. Correct? East to west means minus I cap direction. Cross product of magnetic field. Magnetic field is from south to north. Means along y-axis, positive or negative? Positive, right? So that is plus j cap. So minus I cap into minus I cap cross j cap. I cap cross j cap equal to k cap, but negative sign keep it as it is. So it becomes minus k cap into ILB. Minus k cap means that is vertically inward. Inward we are representing by into. But in this case, there is no chance for force, so nothing to calculate. Both are along y cap only, along y axis, that is j cap cross j cap equal to 0. There is no force here. I hope it is clear.